Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to try to recreate a Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial. Actually, that's a little bit laughable because I don't think I'll ever be able to do that, but we're gonna try it out. I'm super excited. I have most of the products that she used in her video. A few of them I had to kind of switch up because I didn't have everything, but I'm super excited to try this out. I'm also wearing my Jaclyn Hill inspired necklace. Jaclyn Brooke Beauty, I think her name's actually just Jaclyn Brooke now. I keep saying Jaclyn Brooke Beauty, but it's just Jaclyn Brooke. If you haven't seen that video, she got me this necklace. I'll leave a card for it right here. So go check that video out after this one. Let's get on into the video.
So first things first, I'm going to be priming my skin. I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi Light Infusing Primer. It's my favorite from the drugstore.
Jaclyn just put this all over her face, so let's see how it goes. Wow, that really does make your skin so glowy, but I feel like it kind of puts like a white cast on your face. I think I've used this in the past and I really haven't loved it, but if Jaclyn loves it, then it has to be good, right? So
then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Lumi Cushion Foundation.
So Jaclyn just says that she uses a brush and pushes it right into the cushion. I've never used a cushion foundation before, so I'm excited. And then she just presses it into the skin. Also, I already have my brows filled in. Jaclyn said that she did her brows with the Anastasia Brow Waves. I just used the NYX NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and that's one of my favorites. I feel like it works just as well as the Anastasia one. I would say this foundation is like a light to medium coverage, very luminous and glowy. I really like it. What do we do next, Jaclyn?
After that, I'm going to be going in with concealer, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Concealer. This is my favorite concealer from the drugstore. This is kind of like my favorite drugstore tutorial, if you will.
I'm going to take my beauty blender or any sponge you have and just blend it out. That works really good and it's so creamy. It blends out like a dream.
I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder with that same exact damp sponge. I'm going to begin just to press that into my skin.
I have the NYX Set It Don't Fret It powder. It's basically the same thing, just a translucent powder. So I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge like she did and just go underneath my eyes.
I'm going to take that same powder and just slap it all over my entire face with a huge fat powder brush. This is going to mattify my skin, but we'll go in with some highlight to kind of bring some life back later. Then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer.
I am obsessed with this too. Look how much I've used. This is in the shade Light Bronzer. There's also a dark one if you have a darker skin tone. And I'm just going to take a Morphe brush, just pack that on the skin.
Then for blush, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. I don't know the shade of this, but I will put everything, brushes, products, everything in the description box down below.
So I don't have the same Wet n Wild blush that she has, but this one is super similar. It's the Tarte blush in Angelic. She kind of goes like this with her mouth.
That recommended this to me, so thank you so much, Kathleen. But I have to say my favorite blush from the drugstore of all time is still Milani Luminoso.
Milani Luminoso is a little bit too orangey on me.
I'm going to take that exact same Japanesque brush and just take a ton of that RCMA translucent powder and just put it on the lower half of my face to clean everything up so it's not messy. Now for eyes, I'm going to be going in with this new palette that I am super excited to be trying, and this is by Juvia's Place, and it's called the Nubian, I believe. Oh, look at all those pretty warm tones. These shadows remind me a lot of Morphe shadows. Like the price point is kind of similar. They're affordable palettes, and the pigmentation is very similar to me.
So I don't have that palette, but I do have the Morphe palette. Don't ever set your hot tool on your Morphe palette or any other palette. That was a really dumb idea. So I have a color that's very similar from the Morphe 350 palette, and it is this one right here. Then she takes a shade very similar to this one. I'm just gonna put this all the way across the eyelid.
I'm gonna take that light kind of white frosty shade and put that on my lid, but I realized that it was a little too pale for me and I wanted something a little bit bronzier. If you're more fair in tone, that color would be beautiful on its own.
So then she goes in with the same brown color underneath her lower lash line. And focuses it mostly on the outer corner.
Now taking the darkest matte brown on a pencil brush and putting that just on the outer edge of my upper lash line. This is kind of gonna mimic eyeliner. I'm gonna give my lashes a quick curl and then I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara.
It almost looks like you have a natural set of false lashes on.
Now I'm going to be highlighting and I'm using the Sleek Makeup Palette.
I don't have that sleek highlighting palette. They said they sold it at Ulta, but I did not see it. So I'm going to use the Champagne Pop Highlight. I noticed it's super similar to the one that she was using in this video.
Now for my lips, I'm going to go in with a Morphe lip polish, lip paint, not quite sure what it's called.
I don't have that Morphe gloss, but I found one similar from Revlon, and it's in the shade Smoky Topaz, and it's super pretty. It is so buttery. So this is the completed look. That was so much fun. I loved learning from Jaclyn. I think my skin looks so pretty and I love these bronzy eyes. I think the best. I will definitely be doing that eyeshadow look again. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!